What's up, QMV subscribers? How you been? We've been a little busy lately getting some installations done. We just finished our BMW M3 speaker and subwoofer installation. We used GRS speakers, tweeters, and subwoofers to replace the factory speaker subs and tweeters in the BMW. GRS makes aftermarket speakers designed to perfectly replace factory speakers with just a simple plug-and-play method. We did 6 4-inch speakers, 2 tweeters, and 2 subwoofers. If you haven't seen it yet, go ahead and watch that video, get some new tips on installations, and we'll be adding a Sony amplifier to it in the future. Before that, we checked out the Pioneer DEQ S1000A, which is a DSP and 4-channel amplifier. And we have a bunch of other backlog videos we'll be getting up, plus another installation coming soon. But let's do some top comments. We have a lot to go over. First up, Brandon Laird. My mom says her massager has more voltage than your test bench. Yeah, 69 volts, right? Barajas world. 12 seconds is better than 30 seconds some Android head units have. Agreed. Most wives will actually take 12 seconds too. Joe, your puns and corny jokes and how many times you use the word load without laughing made me subscribe. Thanks for the laugh. What can I say, Joe? Not everybody can handle all of these loads. Chris Fa. My god, you are such a douche bottle that I had to just leave. Thank God you left. Say hello to your mother for me, Chris. Douche bottle? I've never heard that before in my life. Losty1. This guy sounds exactly like Adam Schefter. It's uncanny. This just in from a league source. Lorenzo has just been traded to the New York Jets. Details still emerging, looking at a 4-year deal. And in return, QMV will be getting 3 tires. MJ. Dude, kill the stupid music when talking. So annoying. I thought you liked music, Michael. Next time, I'll just put photos of little boys and you'll probably watch it then. Chemical Spore. I'm a professional installer. Come the F on down. I will fix any what the F hack job. Holy sh! Your car is F'd up. You forgot to censor out bud? Here, let me donate $1 to your swear jar. Say hello to your mother for me. Scumsy. What would you recommend on an 04 Chevy Cavalier? I'd recommend getting a new car. Ross Blackbeard on an installation video with Lorenzo. Woody Harrelson's IT brother. The resemblance is uncanny. Napier knows best. Jesus, get someone who can talk. I hope you don't use that profile picture on your Tinder profile. Unless it's Grindr, you'll probably be okay. On our 8K TV video, Tom Welling. Why bother? You still can't play Duck Hunt on it. Like, how stupid. Still is technology, not get better. Great writer. When you can't play Nintendo Duck Hunt on any flat screen TV, why you think is so great, and Sega Master System gun won't work on flat screen, don't lie, that AK so great, all scammed, fall for I hope English is your second language because, I mean, I got the gist of what you're saying, but Jesus. Tom, you're complaining about not being able to use Duck Hunt on an 8K TV that was made in 2019. Nintendo Duck Hunt is almost 40 years old. What, are you gonna get upset that your car doesn't have a 8-track player? Are you mad that they don't offer Tang at supermarkets anymore? Have you ever played Xbox? Play some Halo or something, relax. Luca. Hello, I use the music app Napster on my Samsung Galaxy A6. However, I cannot find the app in the Pioneer ARC app. Can I add that to it? Many thanks for the answer. Who uses Napster? Is that still a thing? Is there a LimeWire app too? I haven't heard a new Smashing Pumpkins song lately, so this definitely can't be 2001 right now. Bro, iTunes and Spotify. That's all you need. Phase Tug. Okay, I got another question. So if you put the amp on the battery, hopefully you're not like putting it directly on the battery. I think you just mean wiring. How will the amp know when to turn off? If it's always connected to the battery, how will it know when to turn off? Actually, pretty good question, bud. So, aftermarket amplifiers require a remote turn-on wire or trigger, which you connect to the remote turn-on wire of the wiring harness of your stereo. And as the stereo turns on, the signal goes to the amplifier and turns the amplifier on. As you turn off the stereo, you end the signal, which goes to the amplifier and turns off the amplifier. Even if you have your amplifier wired to the battery, it's not going to draw current from it or anything because it needs the remote turn-on wire to be able to activate and turn on. Then it will draw power from the battery. You should pay us for these goddamn answers. And now for the finale, my favorite comment of all time from Chandler commenting on our Sony XAV AX5000 video. Hey, quality mobile video. I purchased this unit after watching your review and it turns out to be a piece of garbage. The sound quality on this Class D amp is absolute worst sound I've ever heard on any unit, factory or aftermarket period. The sound hash as and the bass is flat. Thanks a lot, Cole. I would love to punch you in your face for your bias remove. Chandler, I'm so sorry that I forced you to buy the stereo against your will. I shouldn't have held that gun to your head. Can't believe I did that to you. And to make you go through the struggle in traumatic pain of getting a free return from wherever the hell you bought this stereo. I'm so sorry to put you through that. But maybe, I mean, since it sounds like you installed the stereo yourself, maybe you f***ed up? Oh, but of course that can't be it. So let's just threaten a perfect stranger on YouTube anonymously and then delete the comment after I respond. I hope to God you're an 11-year-old, but I know you're an adult. I know you're a full functioning adult. So I have some advice for you, Chandler. I know you're watching from your mother's basement right now. So here's what you're gonna do. Go upstairs from your mother's basement and tell her you love her. Tell her you're sorry you're the kind of person you are. Maybe wipe your piss off the toilet seat. Go outside, maybe mow the lawn. Take a nice deep breath of fresh air. Go back inside, go to the bathroom, look in the mirror and just say to yourself, why am I such an asshole? It might open your eyes to a lot of things. Alright everybody, that's it for top comments. Hope you enjoyed it as much as I did. As usual, check out the recent uploads we've made. Check out the installation video, the DSP. Stay tuned. We have a ton of videos coming for you this week. We're going to do an installation on a Ford F-150 tomorrow, a new head unit. Plus, we have more speaker subwoofer videos, a couple stereos we're going to bang out. Keep your eyes peeled for everything. Go to qualitymobilevideo.com to get all of your car audio and video gear with us today. Links are in the bio. Subscribe to the channel if you're new. Leave your comments below. Join the conversation. Like the video if you enjoyed it. Dislike it if you hated it. And say hello to your mother for me.